Hello, Randy Rain here, and check it out. It's another one of these animated animations. This is the Sylvester and Tweety. Where did this company come from? Where did this company go? I'd like to point out something. Every one of these is numbered, and they go up to 9,500. Are you trying to tell me, and I know of 10 different ones at least. That means you can add a zero on the end of it. So there are 95,000 of these things out there. I find that hard to believe. But anyway, let's have a look inside this one. So as I understand this, the person who owns this one has a bunch of these. They were able to fix the other ones that they have, but I have never done a video on this one. That's why the screws are already out. First thing is here. So usually these have a plug, but this one does not have a plug. So many of these are made so different. Some are made so well. Metal gears, plugs. Some seem to be just like thrown together. I can see this one is similar to the Duck Dodgers. So I'm going to guess it's around the same time as that one. Because that one had like belts on it too. And I can see belts down in here. Because that doesn't swing from up here. It looks like it swings from down there. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew this. See what happens. That one have one short. Yep, that does come off. Here's some of the Sylvesters. Oh, that's funny. It's like a pogo stick or something. And then it comes up. Funny stuff. Okay, so it looks over here. This one only does the umbrella. Looks like this one only does Tweety here, I guess, maybe. And then this one does the Sylvesters. You know what? Let's go ahead and take this off. Yep, that's a long one too. Okay, I think we should start here. You can see it's just this arm moving it back and forth here. But it does have a switch to know where it's center, I guess. Let's see. Was it just the belts out? There's the, yeah. And click, center. Then it goes. Looks like just the belt, because all the gears work. I mean, it is stretched out, but really? Well, I've got belts. That's you. You're not going to slip. I mean, are all of them going to be this easy? This doesn't look much different. I think that might be something that's not being used. Yeah, I think that might have been for a spring if they were going to use it. Look at this crazy spring job here. It's very loose. I mean, these are 12-tooth gears, you know, these don't really break. None of these are broken. We got this one that direction. We got this one this direction. Alright, yep, this one just I think that might have held a spring if they needed it. I guess they didn't need it. Alright, I mean, I guess this is the exact same thing. Change it anyway. That would be the only gear that's broken, and it's not. Okay. No, it ain't gonna go that direction. Guess it goes this way, and I guess it doesn't allow it to go that far. It goes smack. It goes. It's not hitting that switch. I see a problem. I bet you that's right there, because that should be hitting that switch. But it's not. Because it's supposed to go, turn, to there. There must be a stop somewhere as well. Yeah, okay, so there is a problem right here, and I bet you this is the whole thing. Alright, so what needs to happen is this right here needs to be pushed out some. So when it grabs this, there, it turns off there. I see. When there's a screw down, it can only go to there. Alright, so that's what needs to be put. So it comes up like this, and it should be able to click. Yep. And then, bam. Then back up. Yeah. I think that was the problem right there, is that wasn't hitting. And the way this works is that it goes through a sequence, and if it doesn't hit this to tell that it's back up, it won't go to the next sequence. So it'll forever stop there. Click. Alright, there's batteries in it, so I guess it's time to test it. Turning it on. Didn't do anything. Let's try pushing the button.
You're darn tootin', Buster. I did draw a pussy cat. Lenny, help! Cutting out pop so fast. Buffers, bucket cat. Oh, poor pussy cat. Poor down.
Well, there you go. Just watch that again.
Tweety's my name, but I don't know my age. Don't have to worry, and that is that I'm safe in here from that old putty. I thought I saw a putty there. You're darn tootin', Buster. I did saw a putty cat. Penny, help! Thought you'd outfox those bad. Buffering fuck attack. Oh, the poor putty cat had an accident.
The belts may have needed it, probably, but I would guess it was more because that switch. You know, you don't see these brass washers very often either. Mhm. Yeah. Here are the screws for the outside. Sure seems like a lot of them. There should only be 8, right? Okay, well, I don't know where those other ones go to. Maybe these are just extra screws that this person has. So what these other screws go to is beyond me. So I just noticed this one has an older date than the one I thought was the oldest one. This is 1997. These things are made very differently. So I've come to believe that Animated Animations hired different companies to make these. That's really the only explanation I can think of that why they vary so much. Anyway, you ready to see this one in action? Here it is.
I'm a tweet with so good in a deodorant page. Tweety's my name, but I don't know my age. I don't have to worry, and that is that I'm safe in here from that old putty. I thought I saw a putty there. You're darn tootin', Buster. I did saw a putty cat. Penny, help! Thought you'd outfox those rats. Buffer and fuck attack. Oh, poor old putty cat. He fought down.
So if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people right here. These are the people who brought you the Tweety and Sylvester animated animation. And the person who owns this, they should be thanking these people as well, because I couldn't do any of this stuff at all. And so they got this fixed for them. So I thank these people so very much. And I'm sure so does this person. So anyway, if you'd like to become a patron, there's links and all that stuff. So thanks for watching.